Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again from beautiful Namli Mera, I welcome you to my Ielts cue card video. This place is literally awesome. It's very close to Nathia Gali, northern areas of Pakistan, and we've got this mountain range here, lush green mountains and the cloudy weather. Anyways, come back to the cue card, guys. Okay, this is my vacation and I'm giving you the time from my vacation, right? Describe a time when you missed an appointment. Missed is second form of the verb. It means this is past tense. An appointment. Now you could have an appointment with the dentist, appointment with the doctor, appointment with the teacher, appointment with the professor. So you may talk about any appointment. It's all up to you. You should say when and where it happened. You will talk about the place and location of that very appointment, and when means time in the past, a couple of weeks ago, a month ago, a year ago, and all that. What the appointment was for. Now you will talk about the purpose of the appointment. It was an appointment with my dentist as I had some problem with my wisdom tooth or anything like that, okay? What happened when you missed it? Now you're going to tell us your reaction when you missed the appointment, what happened, and explain how you felt about missing this appointment. So this is the whole cue card, and I would try to speak, and this answer is going to bring you minimum 7 band, as my own band score in Ielts speaking was 8 band. Okay, sometimes it's very difficult to get an appointment as if you want to visit a doctor or a dentist, because these people are mostly very busy. Today I would like to talk to you about an appointment which I had with my doctor, and I missed that appointment, and even today I feel sad about it. Well, what happened a couple of months ago, I had to go for my routine checkup to my doctor. And I set up an appointment with my doctor, and the appointment was for Monday morning, and his assistant told me about the appointment. He confirmed me about the appointment. He sent me confirmation message as well, and I was all set. But actually this had happened a week before. On Monday morning, I had totally forgotten about this appointment with my doctor. My alarm, I did not set any alarm, and the appointment was early morning appointment, 7 a.m. and on that day I woke up at 10 a.m. As I woke up, I had a feeling that there was something wrong or there was something incomplete and all that, and then suddenly I realized that I had an appointment with my doctor and I missed that appointment. Well, what I did, first of all, immediately I called the assistant of my doctor and I informed him about my missed appointment. And first he was a little annoyed, but then he said, luckily another patient has cancelled his appointment, so after 2 hours you can easily come and you can see the doctor. I was so happy. Because of his cooperation, his assistant's cooperation, my appointment was not lost and I was able to see the doctor. Well, initially, when I realized that I had missed the appointment, I was disappointed. And I blamed myself for that how lazy I was, that I missed this appointment. But then later on, when I called his assistant, and when he gave me another time on the same day, I took a sigh of relief, and after that I visited my doctor. But even today I know all this thing. Okay, all right guys, I spoke for around 2 minutes and again I created this answer for this cue card. So I'm giving you all these answers so that on the basis of my answers you can create your own answers, and then in your actual exam, if they give you a topic like this, you know what to speak, how to express yourself and all that. All the best guys. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.